31st July is the last date for filing ITR for individuals. If you are a salaried employee and want to file your ITR yourself, follow this step by step. First, keep these documents ready. Form 16 from your employer or HR portal, Form 26 AS, AIS and TIS from the Income Tax portal under Annual Information Statement, your bank interest details, and deduction proofs if you want to check the old tax regime. Now go to incometax.gov.in and log in. Click on e-file, then income tax returns, then file income tax return. Select assessment year 2026 to 27 because this return is for income earned in fiscal year 2025 to 26. Select online mode, then select individual. Now choose the correct ITR form. If you have only salary income, bank interest, dividend and simple income up to 50 lakh rupees, you may generally use ITR-1. But if you have capital gains from shares, mutual funds, property, crypto, foreign assets, business income, or F&O income, don't use ITR-1. You may need ITR-2 or ITR-3. After selecting ITR-1, check your personal details: PAN, Aadhaar, mobile, email, and address. Then check salary details with Form 16, match TDS with Form 26 AS, and check AIS and TIS to see if any interest, dividend, or other income is missing. Add bank interest if it is not pre-filled because many people forget this. Now comes an important step. Choose your tax regime. New regime is the default, but don't select blindly. Compare old regime and new regime first using the income tax calculator. If old regime saves tax and you are eligible, claim only genuine deductions like ATC, ATD, HRA, or home loan. Next, check your bank account and make sure it is pre-validated for refund. Now go to tax paid section and confirm PDS, advance tax, or self-assessment tax. If tax is payable, pay it before final submission. After this, preview your return, check refund or tax payable, submit it, and most importantly, e-verify your ITR within 30 days. Without e-verification, your ITR is not complete. So remember, Form 16 is not enough. Match Form 16, 26 AS, AIS, and TIS. Compare your tax regime, choose the right ITR form, and then submit. Save this before filing your ITR. We have created a free tax calculator for you. Check link in the description.